Oh boy, is sugar the devil? Sometimes. Does anybody have grandkids and see what happens when they get all that Halloween candy? That chemical, your wonderful little sweet grandchild or child turns into the devil. There's a chemical reaction happening at that time, and it's changing their brain chemistry for a period of time. They are literally being hijacked. There are over 200 different names for sugar, and it is hidden in everything, especially ultra-processed foods. So, and the labeling around this is also designed to be confusing. So here's the big key I want to share about sugar, and this includes fruit. There is no daily requirement for sugar. The body produces everything it needs in the liver. What your body needs. That doesn't mean your body can't learn to use some of the benefits of some types of fruit, like berries, strawberries, melons, things along that line, pomegranates. But in general, it does not help your baseline nutrition. Now, there are some phytonutrients that you can get, but by and large, you can get all that stuff from veggies as well without elevating insulin levels in your body or hijacking the brain. So most fruit is made up of two types of sugars, fructose and glucose. Glucose is something that can get in your bloodstream very quickly and give you some quick energy, can be used by your muscles, especially post-exercise. Fructose bypasses satiety signals and is processed by the liver, which is where we start to see things like a rise in NAFLD. So when you're considering sugar, and this includes things like diet soda, fake sugars are still sugar in terms of how the body chemically responds to these sorts of things. And here's one other thing. When you're looking at labels, the FDA has something called the rounding rule. And that rounding rule means under natural flavors, you can put anything under 500 milligrams and not have to divulge what it is. And it's usually sugars and other chemical additives. Maltodextrin is one of the most common. So when you see natural flavors on a label, it generally is not, just so you know.